Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Nowadays we find very good quality fresh amlas, that is Indian gooseberry in the markets. So this is the time when we can really enjoy the benefits of this healthy fruit. I'll show you different ways of using this amla, and amla is really great both for your skin, if you have a glow on your skin, for your hair and for your metabolism also, for your cholesterol levels, for having a good digestion too. It's a great source of vitamin C, nature's treasure house. One amla is equivalent to having 3 oranges, that much of vitamin C. Come, let's see the different ways we can use this amla. To make fresh amla juice, choose lovely, fresh, juicy amlas and just cut them into pieces and add it to your blender jar. Discard the seed. Here I am adding a small piece of fresh ginger and a few curry leaves also to this. We'll blend it all together. Now add some water to this and crush it once again. Filter out the juice into your glasses. We can add a teaspoon of lemon juice for taste. This is some Himalayan pink salt I am adding. Or if you like a sweeter version of it, we can add some honey also to it. So your lovely fresh amla juice with the goodness of ginger and curry leaves is also ready. Enjoy it when the season is good for fresh amlas. Nicely wash your amlas, lovely juicy amlas. I have taken about half kg here, and just make slits along these lines like this. Here I have kept about a liter of water for boiling. Water has come to a boil. We will add salt to this. I have added the pink Himalayan salt. You can add rock salt also. Now just add in these slit amlas into this water and just allow it to boil for another 2 minutes. Also add a pinch of turmeric powder. See, it is just coming to a boil again. Now switch it off. These are some whole green chilies. I have just slit them like this. You can take 4 or 5 of these chilies and drop it into this water. We will remove this and allow it to cool. The water has cooled down to room temperature. Additionally, you can add some peeled and sliced pieces of ginger. This is optional. If you like, you can add or you can omit it. Now take a clean dry glass jar and pour this into the jar along with the water. This is the brine. Next, we will take the juice of 2 lemons and add to this. Now we will cover it, and you can keep it and enjoy it with some curd rice or chapatis. And for longer shelf life, store it in the fridge. You can keep it up till 5 to 6 months also in the fridge. Next we will see how to make a very tasty rasam using this amla. Amla, also known as nellikai. So we are going to make Nellikai Rasam. For this I have taken 4 amlas and first we will cut them into pieces. So in your blender jar, take the chopped amla pieces and also a small piece of ginger I have peeled. We'll add that also. And we'll grind this into a paste. In a pan, take a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of jeera and dry roast it. When the spices are well roasted, switch it off, and when cool, we'll make it into a powder. Meanwhile, I have taken about 1/4 cup of dal and cooked it in the pressure cooker and kept ready. We'll be using some portion of this dal for the rasam. Just blend the dal well with the back of a spoon. I have taken 2 cups of water in a pan. You can take about 500 ml. Now add a pinch of turmeric powder to this. See, our ground paste of amla and ginger is ready. We'll add this paste to this. Add in some salt, few curry leaves. Taken 2 green chilies which I have just slit like this. Next, take in about 1/4 cup of cooked dal and add to it. And allow everything to come to a boil. When it starts frothing up like this, add this powdered pepper and jeera. Don't allow it to boil too much. When it starts frothing up now, switch it off. Add some finely chopped coriander leaves to this. Remove it from the stove and finally add the juice of 1 lemon, say about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to this, and give it a good mix. See your lovely tasty Nellikai Rasam. We only have to do the tempering for this now. Heat some ghee in a pan. Add some mustard seeds, a little bit of hing and a little bit of jeera. Pour this tempering on top of the rasam. See, our lovely, tasty and very healthy Amla Rasam is ready. You can really enjoy it with some steaming hot rice or even drink it as a soup. I am sure you will really love the taste and it will become a regular in your everyday menu. Next we will see another interesting recipe, that is Amla Rice or gooseberry rice. So for that, I have taken 6 amlas, washed them and grated and kept ready. First we will make a powder to add to this rice. For that, dry roast 1 teaspoon of sesame or til seeds. You can use black or white one, whichever you have, there is no problem. 2 teaspoons of dhania seeds, that is coriander seeds, and 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds. Just lightly roast them till the spices, the sesame seeds start popping. The methi seeds are also reddish brown now. Now we can switch it off. When cool, we'll make it into a coarse powder. Now heat some oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds, urad dal, little bit of cumin seeds, 2 dry red chilies, a small piece of hing, 3 to 4 green chilies I have slit like this, and also some curry leaves. Next, add in this grated amla. Mix everything well. Add some turmeric powder to this and salt. Lightly saute all the ingredients together. Here I have some hand powdered rice which I have cooked and kept ready. Nowadays we prefer using this hand powdered rice as it is a healthier option. So now next we can reduce the flame and add in the rice to it. I have taken 1 cup of hand pounded rice. If you don't have it, you can use your regular white rice, raw rice also, because you will be wondering at the color. That's why I am telling you. Now with a gentle hand, mix everything well together. This is some roasted peanuts I have. I am adding that on top. And finally, we'll add this powder which we made of the til, coriander seeds and methi seeds to it. Switch it off and mix everything well together. Our tasty amla rice is now done and ready, so you can enjoy the health benefits of eating amla in this way too. Next recipe, we'll see how to make a jam, Amla Jam, but the speciality of this, we are not using white sugar, instead we'll use this jaggery powder. So first I have taken the amlas and steamed them. Steam till they become soft. When it is a little cool, you can easily remove it like this with your fingers. See, just remove the pulp like this and discard the seed. Now we will grind this cooked amla into a paste. See, we have blended it into a paste. No addition of water. Just blend it as it is. Depending on your quantity of amla, you take the same quantity of jaggery powder. I will give you the link to this jaggery powder in the description box. So we will take the jaggery powder in a pan. Now add this amla paste to this. Mix everything well together and use a heavy pan and cook it over a low flame. See, after a few minutes you will find it all coming together and leaving the sides like this, and also it is thick. See the way it drops. So this is the perfect stage. You can switch it off. Here I have powdered 2 cardamoms. I am adding this cardamom powder to this. Mix it well together. Allow it to cool. When cool, you can store it in a clean dry glass jar. See, we have got very tasty and healthy amla jam made with jaggery. You can store it in a clean dry glass jar, and outside you can keep it for about 10 to 15 days, but for a longer shelf life, please keep it in the fridge, then you can enjoy it for a longer time, and of course keep it away from moisture too. You can use it with roti, chapati, as a spread on your bread, have it with rice. Very many ways of enjoying this. Thank you for watching the video. Do definitely try out these various recipes using Amla and enjoy the great health benefits for yourself, your family and friends too. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.